Buying a Volvo S60 is one of those decisions where you almost feel like you're cheating life a little. It's an unassuming luxury sedan. Nobody's cousin brags about their S60, but drop inside and it's Scandinavian serenity every time. Most people start the process by scouring used listings, and the pain hits quick. Volvo S60 resale prices are strangely reasonable, with 3-year-old models often hovering at 60% of their original price. That's real wallet impact right there, and rare with German rivals. People always ask whether to risk an old one or cough up for new, but the secret is aiming for a certified pre-owned S60, no older than 5 years. Volvo's warranty stretches it to a proper 7 years with unlimited miles, way beyond industry average. There's the classic worry: maintenance costs. Look, the S60 is leagues better than BMW or Audi for repairs, but let's set the bar right. Parts are still premium priced. I always prep by budgeting $1,000 a year for upkeep, and usually come out under. On the test drive, it's not about speed or flash, it's about what it feels like to leave a noisy world and step into a soft, silent Swedish living room. Those seats? Gold standard. Volvo spent years neurotically perfecting foam density, and it shows. And every prospective buyer does this. The slightly obsessive crash test research. The S60 is like a suit of armor. 9 airbags, pilot assist, auto brake, and it's almost boring how many 5-star safety scores it racks up. You're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind at 70 miles per hour. Here's a pro tip. I always tell people to sit in the back seat during the test drive, just for a few minutes. Sometimes automakers only care about the driver's comfort, but with the S60, it's Scandi fairness. Feels like everyone paid for first class. Don't get tripped up on the T5 versus T6 versus recharge engine choices. The T5 is best for efficiency at around 30 mpg combined. T6 punches in some extra turbo power, and the recharge plug-in hybrid is for those annoyed by gas prices and climate guilt. Tech-wise, every S60 pretends it runs on simplicity. Don't be fooled. The Sensus infotainment screen is actually a full iPad you have to swipe and pinch. It looks great, but there's a slight learning curve. I recommend spending 20 minutes in the driveway mastering it. Insurance costs for Volvos are the low-drama cousin at the party. I plugged quotes for Portland drivers and saw S60 policies typically 8 to 12% lower than comparable BMWs or Audis, probably because of all that drool-proof safety tech and the fact they aren't raced. Biggest gotcha: never skip a full Carfax review. These are safe cars, which means sometimes people drive them like tanks. Look for crisp service records and walk away from anything that's been restored after a fender bender. Peace of mind is worth the few extra hours of research. Final thing, negotiate. Volvos aren't unicorns. Dealerships will often drop prices $1,500 to $2,500 under sticker, especially on CPO units. The best deals always go to the patient, who are willing to haggle, walk, and return after a week.